Hey fellow crypto enthusiast, welcome to today's quick trend analysis. Let's get started. Today, find out how the price of EOS has changed and what the technical indicators SMA, RSI and Stochastic Rsi show. If you are unfamiliar with the indicators, check out the explanation videos below. Taking a look at the hourly time frame for EOS, it can be seen that the price went down with around 3.7% in the last 24 hours, with a current price of 2.66. The volume was actually high, showing that this move was strong and the sellers are taking over. Jumping to the hourly simple moving averages, the current price is below all simple moving averages for this time interval, which looks bearish, and it is to watch if the closest SMA, the 20 SMA, will play as resistance or the price will break it to the upside above the current price of around 2.71. Important to note is that the price is currently below the 200 SMA, which can play as a strong resistance. However, breaking it decisively to the upside will signal a potential big move up. Looking at the hourly relative strength index, the current hourly RSI is at 40, so there are currently no signs of the crypto being overbought or oversold. Jumping to the hourly stochastic RSI, the stochastic RSI currently shows no overbought or oversold conditions, but because the %K line is over the %D line, we can deduce that the trend is currently on the up. Looking at the 3-hourly simple moving averages, for this time interval, the current price is below all of the simple moving averages, which looks bearish, and you should keep an eye on the closest SMA. The 20 SMA will play as resistance or the price will peak above the current price, which is around 2.73. However, the shorter time frames are not very accurate, and the bigger time intervals like the daily should also be considered for longer price development. Moving to the 3-hourly relative strength index, the current 3-hourly RSI is at 39. So it doesn't show signs of overbought or oversold conditions at this point. Moving to the 3-hourly stochastic RSI, the stochastic RSI currently shows no overbought or oversold conditions, but we can see that the trend is currently going down because the K line is below the D line. Moving to the daily simple moving averages, the price only dipped below the 0 SMA to the downside, but then came up again, but it's not a very strong signal that the volume hasn't been very high. The price only dropped below the 0 SMA downwards, but quickly recovered, but it's not a very strong signal that the volume hasn't been very high. For this time interval, the current price is below all of the simple moving averages, which looks bearish, and you should keep an eye on the closest SMA. The 200 SMA will play as resistance or the price will peak above the current price, which is around 2.73. It's important to note that currently the price is below the 200 SMA, which is normally a strong resistance. A potential move upwards, however, could be signaled if it were to break decisively upwards. Moving to the daily relative strength index, the current daily RSI is at 40, so it doesn't show signs of overbought or oversold conditions at this point. Jumping to the daily stochastic RSI, the stochastic RSI currently shows no overbought or oversold conditions. In general, the larger time frames have a greater impact on the price, so please remember that when we display different time frames with different indicators. And also the shorter time frames are only representative for the short-term trading. Thanks for watching. New videos are uploaded every few hours analyzing various cryptocurrencies, so be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out. If there is something that you didn't understand, leave us a comment below and we'll get back to you. You should know that trading with cryptocurrencies is very risky, and these videos are only an overview of what happens with the price and a pure technical analysis without considering the fundamentals. So you should read more and make your own investing decisions. See you next time.